welcome back to another update. And today is February 22, and the market has been open for 3 hours, about 3 hours and a half. Remember, if you're in Pacific time, the market opens at 6:30 to 1 o'clock Pacific time. All right, so as you can see, it's not a great day. Everything continues to be in red, and it's across all the board. Um, we have a lot of options currently open, and I want to go over them. So right now, let's start with Apple. This is a contract I purchased, hoping that the price will go to 130 by February 26th. I bought one contract for $176, and as you can see, today's return not that great. The market's at 126.87. Again, I'm hoping to go to 130, which at this point I have no idea that it will even go up there. But I have to let it ride until February 26th. So I got 4 days, and I'm hoping that within those 4 days we'll go back to 130. At least if I could break even. Same thing with. Actually, I'll hold this one for last. Then we have Dropbox. Again, I bought a contract for $335. That was a total of 5 contracts, hoping that the price will go up to $24 by February 26th. As you can see up here, we're down. It's $22.61 currently as of this video. So, like I was saying earlier, the whole market, it's down. I mean, it's not just my account. It's all across. I mean, everyone that I know is in the red. And and here's another contract I bought for Starbucks. I paid $276 for 2 contracts, hoping that the price will go up to 105 by February 26th. And it's at 102. My luck. I mean, when I purchased this, it was at 104 and change. And of course, it dropped to 102. So, can it pick up within the next 4 days? Let's hope so, because I'm currently down $220, as you can see here. So we continue. I also bought Walmart. I am hoping that Walmart will go up to 140. I spent $298 in 2 contracts. It's currently at 136. Again, when I bought this, it was at 139 and change. So it dropped almost $4. So not looking good, guys. But this is the reality of stock trading. That not every day you're gonna have a winning day. And of course, we got Sendo Growers. This one's hurting me the most. I'm currently down $320. I bought 5 contracts back on February 12th that it was gonna go to $3 by March 5th. Even though I'm losing at this one, I mean, there's no point of me selling. I'm just gonna hold until the expiration date, at least by March 4th. I'll sell whatever I have, and who knows, maybe it might go up by then. But at this point, this is what's hurting me the most, and I currently do have stock for them. I have 198 stocks, and again, I'm down. I have down almost $98 in change. So if it could go up back to my average cost was $2.02, I'm gonna sell. I mean, I think the hype is over, and I don't see it going back where it used to be. I mean, if we look back on the 3-month chart, I mean, this one was at $3. At one point, I mean, and for it to drop like to $1.50, $1.30, I think at the lowest I saw it was $1.20. So, I mean, it's going up there slowly, but not fast enough. I mean, if it could go back up to at least at $2, you must believe that I would be selling my stock and my option. So at least if I could break some even, I'm okay with that. So with that being said, I've been thinking about going against the market. So, like, for example, we know that everything's red, everything's down. So I decided that I'm going to go the other way now. I'm going to buy puts. So instead of calls, I'm going to buy puts. Remember, puts means that you predict it's going to go down. So there was a bunch of hype on the AMC, as you know, the AMC and the GameStop. Um, so much has been going on. So I just figured, you know what? Let me see what happens. So I bought a contract this morning for hoping that the AMC will go down to $6. And which it has. Actually, when I purchased this was here, let me go back here. Hold on, give me 1 second. So this morning it was at 6:15. Okay, when the market opened right here, and as you can see, it climbed up. It was 6:15, and then it was starting to decline. So I just figured, you know what? Let me jump on here, and I'm going to predict that it's going to go below the $6. So that's exactly what happened. I bought 2 contracts for $74, and hoping that it'll go underneath $6 by Friday. So far, again, we're up. It's at $5.97. It's only been 3 cents, and we're up $8. So I mean, at least that I'm up somewhat. So I'm hoping this could drop down to $4. If it could drop for $4, then at least we'll cash out by tomorrow. So as you can see, when I buy calls to put for predicting it's going to go down, it's going to go up. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and purchase another one here live with you guys. So the one I'm thinking of buying is SPY. Okay, so let me bring it up. Okay, so here's the one. Ticker is SPY, and as you can see here, it's been going up in the last month, and then of course today's just kind of like a roller coaster. So it's currently at 387, and I'm gonna predict that it's gonna go down. With everything happening now, I'm just gonna predict that it's gonna go down. I mean, there's an average volume of 56.991 million people trading this. So let's go ahead and buy a put. So we're gonna go here, and let's just see what our options are at. So if I was to buy a call that the price is gonna go up to 388, the cost will be $2.01 times 100, so $203. But again, we want to buy a put, so we want to put that we're gonna predict that it's gonna go down. So we're gonna buy a put, and the expiration, instead of today, I'm gonna extend it back just to give me some wiggle room till Friday. So I'm hoping that it will go down by Friday. So this one's in the money. So you know what? This is actually not that bad one. Let's click here. All right. So looking at the numbers. So we're predicting that it's going to stay on. If it goes under this, I mean, we'll make some money. So right now it's at 387.68. So we're saying that it's going to go below 387.50. So let's go ahead and click here. So as you can see, it's cost $2.85. Obviously you got to buy 100. So we're going to buy one contract for $2.85, and let's see what happens. See if it lets us go in. If not, we have to raise the limit. All right, so all right, it's processing. We'll see if it goes through. All right, it went through. So as you can see, I just purchased a contract for SPY, predicting that the price will go down to 284. I'm sorry, 387.50. This is the one we have. So you see the one, that means we have one contract. So let's go back to our main, the home page. All right, so where is it at? All right, so here it is. So as you can see here, we're up already $5, which is good. Again, we want it to go down now. So what I'm going to do now, moving forward, or at least until the market gets back on track, because right now, again, everything's horrible right now. So I'm gonna start buying puts. I'm just gonna predict that everything's gonna go down. So hopefully this drops to 385. We'll make some decent money. I mean, if I see that it continues to go down, then I'll buy a few more. But for now, just to test it out, I think the the $284 we purchased is more than enough to test it out. So we have until Friday for this to drop to $387.50. So as you can see, as it continues to move around, we're up $9 so far. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this update, and make sure you hit the subscribe button as I will post more updates, especially on the options, and hit the bell notification to get notified when I post new videos, as I will be posting my next watch list and why I'm watching these stocks. Alright, again guys, take this minute and please subscribe.